Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're going to be talking about drill holes in Easel and how to create drill holes in Easel. Before we do that, I'm going to highlight really quickly what circular holes in Easel look like and what the toolpath looks like, and we can compare it against drill holes. So I'm going to go ahead and simulate this circle, which is 0.26 of an inch. And when I do that, we can kind of take a look at the toolpath really quickly. Hi. Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to create drill holes in Easel or drill points. And to do that, I'm going to highlight the difference between a drill point and a circular hole in Easel or a circular pocket carve out. And what those differences is my drill holes are typically a little bit more manageable if you're trying to kind of create a hole of a specific dimension in Easel. So to start, I've got this circle, and when I simulate my carve, and we'll remove the material here and then zoom in, we can see that there is kind of like a rounded toolpath that moves in a circular pattern around my hole, which can take kind of, I mean, not a lot of time, but it takes a lot of time, but also if you've got a bit that's a specific dimension and it's moving in a circular pattern, it's probably not going to stay in that dimension. But if I add a drill hole to Easel, and I can do that by going over to the left-hand toolbar and selecting the drill option, which is the third from the top, we can see I now have a drill hole. When I simulate that and remove our material, we can see that the drill hole is just a straight tool path down. And that essentially eliminates a lot of the extra carving that is involved with creating circular pockets, and instead I can create a drill hole. Drill holes can be adjusted the cut depth by moving the slider up and down the same way you would adjust the cut depth on any other object, and it will follow that dimension. The only other thing to mention about drill holes is that the size of your drill hole is directly related to the size of the bit you're using. So right now I have a 1/4 inch bit, but if I change that to an 1/8 inch bit, my drill hole will now change to an 1/8 inch in size. So that's really important that if you're creating projects with drill holes, you're using the appropriate sized bit so that your machine creates the appropriate sized drill holes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.